what's it called? She did a one pay. So I don't really know if I would calculate, because she has no payments left. So
Okay.
how would that just be calculated off the residual?
Well, yeah, if we're looking at it as a trade.
So she has equity then, because it would be 44,000 minus 37,450, 470, right?
Yep.
Okay, so I just wanted to make sure of that. And I want you to find me a car for me, please. Her previous car was like 66 grand, and now like the new one is like 76.
Really?
Yes, bro.
I thought that her car was better equipped.
It wasn't. It had an AMG package, but has no piano. So here's her requirements: white running boards. Doesn't care about panel roof. Doesn't care about heated
What do you
steering.
mean white beige?
White beige. Yeah, sorry. She says white. And then this is the worst part. It's the multi-spoke rims. So
Okay.
I guess try to find one with AMG and then without AMG, because if I can't find one because I sent her one with AMG already, and that was 76 grand. She's like, it's $10,000 more, blah 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 blah, and I'm like, yeah, I understand that, but it's also 3 years newer. You know, changes were made every year. It goes up a little bit.
Well, we know she's gonna want AMG line, right? That has always come up with her.
Yeah, I know.
So.
Should I just price it out with how it is with the one that I found?
Well, let me look to make sure there isn't a better option, but a non-AMG line car, she's not going to go for it.
I know. But she said she would be open to it.
We've known her a long time. Were there any other must-haves?
White, beige, AMG line running boards, because she's short and she actually uses them.
Okay.
And then the multi-spoke rims. So that's.
But pano roof.
Doesn't care. She doesn't
No.
have panel roof, no. She doesn't
What
care
about,
heated steering wheel, no. She doesn't have heated steering wheel. Does it end in 927?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is
Hold
that
on.
the car?
And what is the MSRP?
76,485.
Yep, that is. She has equity, so it might be like a lot closer than she thinks. And it's a single pay, you know.
Yeah.
And
A lot of equity.
7,500 a month, because she only has 9,000 miles on that car.
How quickly does she want to get wrapped up?
Well, she has 0 payments left, so as quick as possible. She's back in Ohio from Florida, so trying to get this off her plate.
This one's getting titled in Florida, right?
Yeah, they all do. Is that not in the taxes not in there properly?
It is. I just wanted to
Okay.
confirm. I mean, we've got really, strong programs that expire today for the GLE.
Oh, because today's technically, yeah.
Yeah, the programs end today. For us, it's July, but we have June programs.
Do you predict the program's changing next month at all for this car?
I have no idea.
Realistically? Huh?
You never know. I mean, I'm surprised that the GLE is incentivized at all, really. Given how few of them are out there. But there's the payment credit this month. You've got loyalty, you've got the payment credit, which is basically just like whatever the first payment is, that's an extra discount.
Yeah.
And then an incentivized money factor, which.
I don't know if I'll be able to get her to sign today, but I'll try. I mean, she lives far. This is going to be tough for her.
Well, we can e-sign her.
Okay. And
But-
do the state docs through the mail?
Correct.
All right.
I just want to make sure everyone's on the same page that if she doesn't do it today, we got to do it again tomorrow.
Redo it, yeah.
She's got like 7K in equity, which is great.
I know, I told her it's not going to be that bad. She's like freaking out because last time I think she was 34K out the door. She's like, I don't want more than 34K. I'm like, well, let me just raise your card.
With her equity, we're there.
That's what I'm saying. So that's why I said, let me just put this together.
I mean, we would have been like low 40s without, but with the equity, you're right there. So
Perfect.
even though the car's 10 grand more than it
That'll
was.
be a deal. I know how to pick them. Actually, they know how to pick me.
I feel like you two are made for each other.
Ironically, we get along, even though nobody else gets along with her.
That makes total sense to me.
She was telling me she could be my grandmother. I was like, give me that grandmother money. Because I asked her if she had a business. She was like, all I have is a big bank account. And I'm like,
Beautiful.
slide this.
What else do you need? The worksheet, for whatever reason, does not subtract equity from the one pay amount. So I'm gonna write that in by hand.
That's fine.
Right, so this is what the total would be, okay, before, and even though the equity is listed on the side of the worksheet, it doesn't subtract. Her total that she would owe is $34,171.
She's gonna be so happy.
Yeah, I mean, this, well,
She
you know,
literally was talking about like 35 grand. Like she paid like 35 grand last time. I don't know how much did she pay. Did she pay 35 grand? Is there a way to look at that up?
35,648. So she's $1,400 below that.
Can I get a pun?
Boom.
Boom, son.
That's big time.
35,648.
Yep.
Damn, son.
Yeah.
Perfect.